Was it autobiographical in any sense?
Yung buhay ni Lucas as a character, yung buhay ko rin, namatay yung parents sa maaga. Sinasabi ng auntie na nag-ampo na hindi ka makapagsulat. Lumayas, nakamuyan kay Rata sa Maynila, naging messenger, etc. All the way buhay ko until na-meet si Bessie. Fictional na totally yung portion na yan. But before Bessie, halos lahat exact.
Okay. Alright, so let's have 2 more questions from the press. Sino pong gusto magtanong? Sir Dudes, you wanna ask anything? Okay.
Hindi ako magtatanong. I will just have a little food for thought na observation. Being one of the senior people in the industry, both as a publicist and as your fairy godmother. I will tell you this, my God, today's press con, you moved me. Almost like speechless. Ayoko na ng drama. Basta, please, keep your passion always. As artists, hindi lahat yan mababayaran ng pera.
Hindi talaga, sir.
Sorry, let's save whatever it is that we earn from our passion, but let the passion remain. Artists will forever be spelled artists. And bravo kayo. Love you, love you. And Sir Ricky, not kayo, Lisa, everybody. I saw all of you when you were all young children. Kaya magagaling kayo.
As the fairy godmother, thank you so much, Sir Toots. Napakalaking bagay ng mga words na from you because you've been there for all of us. So thank you. Thank you very much. Last question.